The Road Hard Roadhouse is sponsored by Speedy's Industrial Coatings in Ozark, Missouri. They do powder coating, media blasting, big or small, they do it all. Tell them the Road Hard Roadhouse sent you. We're also a t-shirt sponsor tonight by Earthquake and Shaker Racing Monster Trucks. Tonight on the Road Hard Roadhouse, I'm going to show you my '69 Chevelle. Let's get it started. Here's a video of a '69 Chevelle that I got from RC. It's exactly where it was when I bought it, and I haven't moved it yet. It's missing a spindle from the passenger side. This goes along with the Road Hard Roadhouse. It's been rode hard. It was a dirt track car for a while, explaining the dent there. Tail panel needs replaced. 5 billion wasps, and the hood, back trunk needs replaced. It's not too bad on this side. Doors I have at my house where they're not getting any more damage. I have the dash pad, or a new dash pad for it. Let's see what else.
Anything still back here?
That glass is here. Let's see. What other parts? I think that's trim from a Galaxy that is not going to go with the car. It was a bench seat car. It was a 3-speed car, I think, with a 307 in it. Pedals long been gone. Steering gearbox is still there, so I need a spindle for the passenger side. Now granted, my '69 Chevelle is not road ready yet by any means, but I do have that 12 bolt ready for it. So I appreciate everybody for watching, liking, subscribing. I'm going to be doing a lot more work on the Chevelles at a later date. And as always, if you ride her hard, don't put her away wet. When cars are put away wet, they end up at the Road Hard Roadhouse.